What's up, YouTube? Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and create our first React app. It's going to be a super short video. What I'm going to do is go ahead and use npx create React app to create our React app, and then from using that word a lot. Alright, and then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to run through the source folder and go ahead and clean that up. And the purpose of this React app is we're going to go ahead and we'll use this to go over for code examples for like short circuiting, conditional rendering. We'll maybe even add some simple auth-o authentication for users so we can hide different content. Users can log in and log out. And then also from there, we'll probably go over maybe have the ability to like send out emails or something. I don't know. Whatever. We'll check out the comments to see what you guys think. But let's go ahead and get started. So first, let me go ahead and bring up my terminal. I'm using VS Code here. And as you can see, I'm already in my folder where I'm going to be creating this app. So let's go ahead and do npx create hyphen React app. And we'll just say React starter. How's that? Go ahead and hit return. And what's going to happen right now is, so npx is part of npm, or node actually. And what it does is, it instead of actually having to install this globally, it'll just pull down all the files that it needs. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then once it's completed, we'll go ahead and hop back in this. See you guys right now. Alright, so I'm back. Let's go ahead and check this out. Looks like gave us some help here. We'll cd into our React starter, and then use yarn start. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's cd into React starter, and then I don't use yarn, I use npm, so I'm just gonna stick with that. Hit return. What this is gonna do is gonna start, as you can see, start our development server. And you didn't see that. There we go. That's from my previous one. All right, so let's go ahead, switch over back to our VS Code, our project. Let's open up our project, which we have here on the side. Let's go into the source folder. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from the top to the bottom. Actually, let me just show you this real quick. So you have app.js, which is our main app component. Then you have index.js. Index.js is what's actually, we're passing in our React component. So this is actually the root. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to go ahead and go to app.js. And we're going to remove everything in here in the middle. Okay, let's start from the top. So the entry point for our CSS, we'll go ahead and let's delete app.css. We don't need this. Then we're going to open up app.js. Again, let's start from the top to the bottom. We're not going to need our logo. Not going to need app CSS. Let's go down here. Let's go ahead and remove everything down here in the header. Let's see here. Let's replace that with an H1. And let's just say React starter. There we go. Let's go ahead and save that. No issue so far. That's a plus. See here, we have some tests. Let's go ahead and delete that. That's probably a video I'll do later on. Testing is important. If you don't test right now, definitely start learning it. Just helps with it. Takes a while to get started, but once it's started, it makes everything a lot easier. All right, so we're actually going to use our index CSS. So let's go ahead and let's delete everything. Let's do a reset in here. How's that sound? Let's go over here. We'll do margin 0, padding 0. Nope, padding 0. We'll do box sizing, border box. Let's update the font. Family, we'll do. I don't know. It looks good. We'll do Arial. All right. Cool. We got that. Let's save that. Index.js. So we'll need our index.css. So let's leave that there. We'll want our app because that's how it's rendering. But let's go ahead and delete service workers. We're not going to be using them right now. Will we use them in the future? Most likely. So let's go ahead. Let's get some more room here. All right. Let's go ahead and delete all this. We don't want any of this. Let's delete that. Go ahead and delete the logo. And we're just cleaning up, aren't we? All right. Let's delete service workers. And our subtest. And there we go. Are we still running? Yep. Let's hop over here. There she is. Just to make sure that she's running properly, let's go to our app.js. Add a couple exclamation marks. Let's do a paragraph down here with some lorem. Save that. Switch over. And there we go. Cool. Sweet. All right. So again, this is our starter React app. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff with this. Again, we're just going to build upon this. So this was just a super short video. How I create my React app. What do I do to clean it up? And again, if you, do whatever you want. Follow along with the video. Like I said, we'll probably do some a video regarding authentication. We'll go over conditional rendering, short circuits, whatever. We'll bring in maybe a framework, or not a framework, but like a CSS framework. I particularly like, obviously you got Bootstrap and you have a Material UI. We'll bring in one of those. Yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you.